वेलकम बैक टू द इंग्लिश वाली चैनल। यदि आपको भी मेरा कंटेंट पसंद आता हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब द इंग्लिश वाली चैनल एंड नाउ आई एम गोना स्पीक दैट आई होप you are so and you are learning this language very good way. So okay, now I'm gonna speak that how to speak English because it is a most important when you wanna become fluent. If you wanna speak lips and bounce English. Lips and bounce English means that तीव्र गति से. So yeah, I'm gonna speak that if you wanna become fluent, if you wanna speak lips and bounce English, so you should follow something rule. After that you will become fluent. Otherwise it is not possible that you will follow some days, means that 1 week 2 weeks, so after that you will become fluent. No, it is not possible and it is not childhood play. So that's why you should care that English is most important for you or for your future. So you should know that when you will learn this language, so what will you attention and what will you not attention, it is the most important. You should make something strategy that now I'm gonna speak something something secret. It is the most important if you wanna become fluent. So yeah, I'm gonna speak that. Firstly I'm gonna speak that you should follow whatever you are making strategy for speaking English daily basis. Because when you will do daily base, so after that one day you will be become fluent. But you will not do daily base and deliberately you are thinking that no, yeah, that I'm not speaking, I am not able. So don't think, only you should focus yourself and you should believe over yourself that yeah, I will do at any rate. You should speak in front of you, in front of mirror, and that yeah, I will do at anyhow, and that you should follow means that daily base, not 1 day, not 2 days, not 3 days, daily. And yeah, you are doing something time, but daily base, not 1 day, not 2 days, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and after that no, that I'm not interested for learning this language. So you shouldn't speak this type. Okay, only focus and don't attention that I am learning or not. That result will not look 1 day 2 days. Result will not look 1 day 2 days. Yeah, I am speaking right that yeah, when you will learn this language, so after that you will get many problem. You will get many hot water. And yeah, I know that English is not very simple language. English is not childhood game. So that's why you should keep patience. After that you will look by degree that yeah, my English will be improved slow and steady. So yeah, I'm gonna speak that you should do yeah, you should make a strategy daily base, means that 5 minutes 10 minutes I will speak daily base this type, and you should follow. After that you will grow by degrees. Yeah, we can speak that slow and steady. So yeah, I know that